this is Aarti from DivaBeautyAE and welcome to my channel. Today I welcome Nutricook Smart Pot 2 to my kitchen and I will be unboxing this with you guys. Please note that I have purchased this with my own money and there is no sponsorship whatsoever. Now without further ado, let's go to the unboxing. Here, this is how it looks like. Very classy, very royal. Love the black finish they've given. We will check out how it looks from the inside. And this is the features that is mentioned here. 9 appliances, 1 nutrition in no time, smart lid, cook at a touch, a clear advantage, and it is 9 in 1. They show more about Nutricook and the dishes that you can make. This Nutricook Smart Pot 2 is of the 6-liter capacity, run on 1000 watts and comes with a 2-year warranty. Nutricook is at the moment available in UAE. I will also drop down the links below from where you can purchase it, and I have discount coupons for various websites like Mum's World and First Cry, from where you can purchase this at a much lower price. At the moment there are offers and I got this Nutricook Smart Pot 2 for AED 499, which is otherwise on AED 599. Now moving on to see what's inside. Opening the box now. Quite huge, so you need really big space to open this. And here it says, welcome to the team Nutricook. We are excited to have you use this smart pot. Time to unbox the benefits of better nutrition. Let's open it further. Starting here first, we have the Arabic catalog and then the English one. We have the cords to connect, and to avoid the squeaky noise I'll remove all the contents and then show it to you henceforth. So opening up, we have this huge pot of Nutricook itself. Let's open this together. We have the lid, as you can see here. It's quite royal, classy, and it has got gloss as well as matte finish. It's got the handle here and also got the safety wall and the pressure release button. And turning on to the back side, it has got the rubber and those attachments. Looks quite neat. Let's see inside. The Nutricook comes with a soup spoon, rice ladle, measuring cups. It also comes with a steam rack for steaming vegetables and whatever you want to steam, and the pot itself in which you're gonna cook. The Nutricook pot is quite huge and you can see there is marking inside of half and 2/3. That's the maximum, so it has a marking inside, and this one is made of stainless steel. This Nutricook is of capacity of 6 liters and it works well for a family of 4 people, so it's enough for us to start using. You need to place the stainless steel pot inside this huge Nutricook pot and then take the lids and match this arrow. You can see the arrow over here, the lock one, with the arrow given over here. You can see how nicely it fits in, and rotate in the clockwise direction. Now it is safely locked and you can pressure cook or cook further with Nutricook. The front side has a digital pad. I'll take you closer with a lot of preset options that you can see now. You have the sauté option, the pressure cook, the slow cook option, and you can even adjust the timings with that plus and minus button. There are a lot of presets already there, as you can see, with the rice, oatmeal, bean, meat, soup, steam, yogurt. Never heard of them. And you can even keep things warm in that. The delay option is to time when you want to start the Nutricook and press the start button to start it, and cancel if you want to cancel the operation. I think cooking is going to be fun and very easy with Nutricook. I just can't wait to get started, and I'll especially show you a lot of vegetarian dishes with Nutricook. So summing up, this all comes with the Nutricook, the catalogs in Arabic and English, and the cord, the steam rack, measuring cup, rice ladle and soup spoon, and the Nutricook pot itself. This one is the Nutricook Smart Pot 2, the 6-liter capacity, fast, easy, versatile, multi-use pressure cooker. Cooking made simple, smart and super fast with Nutricook Smart Pot 2. If you have liked the video, please do give it a big thumbs up and put your comments down below. And if you have any feedback or suggestions, recipes as to what I should start with Nutricook, please do let me know. And please do keep in mind that I'm a vegetarian, so keep those recipes coming in. Also, do subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell button below so that you are aware of my videos and do not miss out on any. Stay tuned for more vegetarian cooking with Smart Nutricook coming up. Till next time, goodbye and see ya.